Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get files from Garmin into your Strava account using GOTOES. So one way is to just go into your activity, hit the export original like I'm showing here in the video, and then it will save the file to your downloads folder. And you can click on the downloads folder, which is here, drag it into GOTOES, and then hit upload, and now you're in GOTOES and you can process the file any way you want. There's also another way. So in GOTOES, you have a tool that's called Transfer from Garmin Connect to Strava. You can only use it a couple times every 15 minutes because there's a rate limit. But basically, you enter your Garmin username and password, type the title of your activity, and then you have the option to process it and send it directly to Strava from Garmin. However, you can also click the checkbox that was in the upper right-hand corner, and with that checkbox, you can actually process it through GOTOES first.